everyone. Today I want to be showing you how to use DocHub in Google Drive so that your students can put the answer right into a PDF or any worksheets that you have found online and you want to turn them into a PDF. And so first step is to find the worksheet or PDF that you want to use, download it into your computer. Once you've done that, you will go into your Google Classroom. I have two open right now on my screen, and that's because this is a teacher's view. And I know that this is a teacher view because I see this class code right here along with the Meet link. On the left side is a student view, and you can see that on the banner, there is nothing there. So this is what the student will see. To start off as a teacher, you will go into classwork, click on create, assignment, give your assignment a title, give instructions, and click add. I would put in file because that's where I saved it, right here. Okay. Now be very careful when you get to this part because Google Classroom only allows you to make a copy in the very first time you assign a work for your students. If you try to go back and redo it, this option will not show up. So it can only be done the very first time you assign something. And it's always a good practice to make a copy for each student. So once you've done that, on the right side, you can fill in what class you want it to go to. If you wanted to assign to certain students, you can designate some points if you want, set a due date. I like to organize my classroom by weeks. So I'm going to have this put in under week 1. You can also create rubric for the assignment if you want. So once I've done that, I'm going to click assign. Okay. So this is what it looks like right now. I have my sample worksheet under week 1. So my teacher step is done on the right side. Now I'm going to move over to the student's view. This is what the student will see on their side. Once I click into classwork, I should be able to see the sample worksheet that my teacher gave me right there. So I'm going to click on that. I'm going to go ahead and do view assignment. Sometimes the PDF takes a while to pop up, but if you see it pop up, they can click it there. If not, they can do view assignment. Once they click on the PDF file, you would have them open it with DocHub. Okay, so once they open it on their end, it will look like this with all these different tools on the top. Always go over what these tools are with your students before you let them work on their own. It's just a good way for them to know what it is that they're using and when they should use it. So let's say I'm a student right now. I'm going to be working on this worksheet. I'm going to write in my answer, whatever the case may be. All right, so I finished my work. Now I'm ready to submit to my teacher. So what you want them to do is go to this arrow button where it says download and export. Let them choose export to Google Drive. Make sure that this part is filled in, update existing with revision. What that means is pretty much they will submit the work that they have done and not a blank copy that you have assigned to them. So export to Drive. Okay, now this just pop up showing you that you can see, the student can see where their work is. So basically, which they don't really need to. You can just have them click OK. So once they've done that, they can close this out. This is the Google Classroom that I'm going to come back to. Have them go to view assignment if they did not do that prior. So my work is right here. Now you always want to tell them to make sure that they are giving you the one there with the work on it. As you can see right now, it's not updated, so it's blank. So if they're going to do turn in right now, you're just going to see a blank copy. So I always like to refresh my page. Okay, now I'm going to view again. As you can see, my answer is there. So now I'm ready to turn in my work to my teacher. All right, so that's turned in. Me as a student, I've just did my work. Now I'm going to see it as a teacher. As a teacher, I'm going to go ahead and click on this assignment that I just assigned. I can see that one person already turned in their work. So let's go ahead and see what it looks like. When I click on this worksheet that my student have done, you can see that this is their answer, which you would grade, or you can return it to them and have them redo it, or whatever the case may be. You can also open it as a DocHub yourself and make comments on the document. So for example, as a teacher, I'm going to go ahead and put a box here. You can maybe color it differently so they know that this is from their teacher. Okay, so give them some comments, some feedback, and then you as a teacher can again go to Google Drive. Again, you want to update existing with revision. Okay, so go back to your work, your Google Classroom, I mean, and then refresh it. Okay, you can see that your comment is right there. Now you're going to return it to the student, or just return it if you don't need them to do anything else. And so that's it. You can pretty much go back and forth with this if you're teaching online and your student just keep on making revision until you're satisfied with their work. So I hope this was helpful.